Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and a very warm welcome to each one of you. Would all please stand to welcome our most befitting chief guest for the play Aakhri Gawah. I say befitting chief guest for the play Aakhri Gawah because our chief guest is none other than Mr. Justice Amar Saran, who is also an old boy of our alma mater. Good evening, sir, and a very warm welcome to you and Mrs. Saran and all our honored guests, including Mr. Mo, principal of Ben-Hur College. Good evening and welcome. As we move on and begin our evening's program, I have a very important announcement to make. Indeed, it is my proud privilege, before I call on our principal, Reverend Father Louis Mascarenhas, to say a word, to announce that most recently our principal has been elected Vice President of the Anglo-Indian UP ICSE schools, and more recently, rather yesterday, he was unanimously elected convener of the ICSE and ISC examinations 2012. A big hand for our principal, Reverend Father Louis Mascarenhas. I now request our principal, Reverend Father Louis Mascarenhas, to kindly say a few words.
Our chief guest this evening, Honorable Mr. Justice Amar Saran, his wife Rashmi Saran, Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, Sister Sumita, Provincial of Congregation of Jesus, Allahabad Province, all the principals of various schools, brothers from the seminary, nurses from Nazareth Hospital, seminarians from Pafamau St. Xavier's Minor Seminary, novices, candidates, ladies and gentlemen, parents, and my dear students. I could see Mr. Magan was perspiring to stand here, and I also feel the same, so I keep it very, very short. Shakespeare, in one of his plays, he says, "This world is a stage, and every person come into this world is an actor on that stage. And every actor has a role to play in this world. And each of us are playing our roles every day in our workplaces, in our kitchens, wherever we are placed. But that is the life. And this evening, we would like to take you to focus your attention on this stage, where some of these actors will be coming on the stage and trying to convey some message with their own skills. This play that we are going to show you this evening, it's a summer camp production, a 1 month camp we had, and at the end we had produced this play. It is a bilingual play. I would like all of you to appreciate this play. During this school hours, they have dedicated some time after the school and sometimes during the school. They may not be perfect, but however, they have tried their best to put up the best play possible this evening. For this play, this evening's program, we have our chief guest, Justice Amar Saran. He is well known to all of us. I would like to say, other than as a judge, he is also a man of theatre who loves theatre, a literary person who likes to read books and well versed in all the literature knowledge. Other than these, I have worked with him. He has been with me when I was the director of social work. He takes up issues like child labor, trafficking, and we have made this issue to bring before you to create an awareness. And this play should not go waste, and we should be aware of the problems of child labor and child trafficking in our society. We have also Mr. Amar Saran's wife, Mrs. Saran. Time and time again, we read her poems, her views on the newspapers. She also runs a small school, and we can see the way she grooms those young children. And both of them are really apt for this evening's program. On behalf of SJC family and all of you who are present here, I extend a warm welcome to both of them to this evening's program. As the Master of Ceremony has already announced, he is an ex-student from this school, and Mr. Moore was also mentioning that he was also interested in theatre when he was studying in this school. We have also other dignitaries like Mr. Moore, St. Mary's Principal, Sister Marriott, and all the Mother Superiors of various convents. They are also here. All the fathers, all our teachers and students, I welcome you for this program. Sit back and enjoy and carry the message when you go home, whatever the message is conveyed to you. All the best for this evening. God bless you.
Our principal, Reverend Father Louis Mascarenhas, will now welcome our chief guest with a bouquet of flowers. Not forgetting the spearhead of this program, our dynamic, versatile and talented principal, Reverend Father Louis Mascarenhas, who is always there to encourage the all-round development of each student of this esteemed institution by being an active participant himself. Ladies and gentlemen, I now hand you over to the director of our play for the evening, Akhri Gawah, Miss Afreen Seher Gandhi. Give her a big round of applause.
A very, very good evening to everyone present here. I welcome all of you to this evening's program. This is Loud's second mega multimedia production. I still remember being dragged to my first theatre workshop around 8 years ago. And then I could have never imagined what it would be like to step into the shoes of a director. Theatre happens to be that art form that not only teaches you qualities like discipline and self-confidence, it just gives you a new life. I can say so from personal experience, for I was a new person the day theatre wrapped me in its arms. Ladies and gentlemen, St. Joseph's College has always valued extracurricular activities and academics equally. This stage has been a progressive platform for so many young students of Allahabad. All that you are now about to see has been possible due to the support of the school principal, the visionary Father Louis, and the highly efficient and supportive administration and staff of this prestigious institution. As a theatre group, Life of Unconventional Drama aims to take teenage theatre to a higher level. In today's world, where this dying art is crushed under the forms of entertainment like Ekta Kapoor TV soaps and Bollywood films, theatre artists like us can only hope to produce meaningful plays if we are supported and sponsored by institutions which value young talent. This is my third directorial venture, and I have realized that being a leader is one of the most difficult things on this planet. As I have learned from certain mishaps, it takes immense willpower and patience to be a good leader. During the course of practice for this play, I nearly came close to destroying some very, very delicate relationships that I happen to possess. But if anything brought me and my team together, it was theatre. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my cast, crew and backstage help, and I would like them to know that their hard work and sincerity has always meant a lot to me.